Hi, I'm Romeo Espinosa Jr. Why are you looking for a work? I look for a job to cover my family expenses. Tell me about your past experience. My experience at my previous job was actually fine, but I eventually got tired of constant commuting and I'll start small business and look for a work from home job. What was the hardest part of the previous job and how many files are you able to do a job? Uh, I average about 60 per day. Have you worked from home before? Yes, I already shifted to work from home setup during pandemic days. And we went back at the office after it ended. Do you have a quiet place to work with good internet? Uh, I do have a quiet place for work. I have my own room and 100 Mbps internet connection. Thank you.